It's fucking nuts. You guys still in it? You ain't getting no 5 kills.
Yeah, man, we went around the hardest.
Well, they're coming up on us?
That's fucking hilarious.
You guys still fighting them?
I know there.
What?
Can't follow me, guys. How do you set this range? Just keep going together.
Hey! Get on the fucking tree! Cole, get the fuck out.
Tree line.
Let's go.
Wait, why are we have to go now?
He's down.
Are you sure?
If he's not covered. Cole, you good?
That way.
I'm set.
You got hit?
Huh?
Were you hit?
Yeah, once.
Yeah,
Yo.
5 second rule for anybody that's out.
Oh, okay.
What the hell is that?
Yeah. That's how Moss wanted it, that's how we're gonna play.
Alright, cool.
I got 2.
Alright, let's go get on them.
No. Get on the fucking trees. They got 5-second respawn. They're gonna be over here like a bitch. Hey, where's my group over here?
They're running down.
Shit.
Right.
Get on my... Right here. You. Get the fuck back there with the flashlight.
That's it. You're right. Aaron, hurry up.
Move up. Over there in the bush. Get on, come fire. Go, Sarge. Get in. Get in on him. I'm on you. Come on, man, reload already. Come on, we gotta get with him. Go! Alright, go. Alright, run that side, I'm gonna go around this side. Yo, that side! Hit the hit!
I like you. You come to my house and fuck my sister.
Get on him. Yo, you still up? You still up?
I shot my fucking arm.
Oh, fuck, they're coming back us! Guard! Oh, crap. Guard, you good? More, left side. 12 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Move up, ahead of you, nice. Where's his boys? Where's his boys? Get it to him, little guy coming on the left. We got a freaking pinned over here. They're just gonna keep spawning, man. This is kills all over. Crap! Still football, man. Yo, move up on him, man.
I ain't got enough range for this shit. And I can't see the horses at the
Yeah, this gotta be another kill.
What's the respawn on this? Game ends or?
Where the heck are them boys going? Nice. Nice, there we go.